Hello YouTube, my name is Jamal Gray 92, and I want to do a review on this Smith&Wesson M&P40 spring airsoft pistol. The first thing I want to tell you is, I really like the gun. The accuracy is like by far the best out of all the airsoft guns I ever shot in. I think it shoots about like 250 FPS or something like that. But for a pistol, that's really strong. The mag holds up to 15 rounds. The gun has a safety mechanism on the right hand side of the pistol. Push it down, it's on safety. Up, it's off. Here's some of the brands that they labeled on the gun: the M&P40, Smith&Wesson, Springfield, Massachusetts, USA, Smith&Wesson, and Military Police. The gun is kind of hard to cock back when you first get it, but you'll get used to it. The mag release, right here. Give you a quick sight of that. Yeah, like I said, I really like how the accuracy is like, it's dead on whenever you shoot. Within like 50 yards, I think.